Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pomegranate milkshake, easy method. Combine 1 cup pomegranate arils, 1 cup milk, 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, and 1 to 2 tablespoons sweetener in a bowl. Then let the fruits rest briefly while you prepare the blender and measuring tools so everything is at hand for a smooth, quick process that preserves the fresh flavor and vibrant color. Prepare your ingredients and tools before blending to keep the process simple and fast. Chill the milk and ice cream, gently remove the pomegranate arils, and measure everything precisely. A clean blender and a fine mesh strainer are handy if you prefer a smoother texture. Having a serving glass chilled makes the final drink more refreshing and helps maintain the shake's thick, silky mouthfeel while keeping the vibrant color intact. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for storing recipes and reading anywhere, which I often use while trying new drinks. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start blending on high for about 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture is smooth and frothy. Pause to taste and adjust sweetness or milk to reach your preferred thickness. If you want a thinner texture, add a splash of milk. For extra creaminess, add another scoop of ice cream. Pour into a chilled glass, garnish with a few pomegranate arils or a mint leaf, and serve immediately for best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.